Alright, so the Spec Miata quarter panel job is going to be painted in two separate booth loads. We've got the first booth load loaded up. It's a bunch of parts. We're going to get them wiped down and put some color on them. Here we go. So the first booth load's finished. The parts turned out great. We got to get the car in the booth and get it taped up. Here we go. Alright, so the car's in the booth, it's wiped down, so let's get some paint on that thing. Alright, so the white base coat is on and it's dry. All we have to do now is tape it up for the orange and spray some orange on it. Let's do that. Alright, so the orange base coat is on. We have to let it flash off, then we'll untape it and spray some clear on it. Let's make it shiny. Here we go. Alright, we got her cleared. She looks good. We're going to let her sit overnight, then we'll untape her and put her back together. See you tomorrow. Alright guys, so it's the next morning. The car's in the booth. The paint's dry. It looks great. We're going to get it untaped and then start putting it back together. Let's go. Alright guys, so we got it put together. Looks awesome. Next step is to give it a bath before we take it home.
Prosalism with ODB.
As the saying goes, don't do as I do as I say do, unless I'm running, because something bad fixing to happen, because I really don't like to run.
Alright guys, so that's the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like and subscribe. Maybe even share it. Yeah, share. That would be cool. Alright, we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.